Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. This is going to be the Poshmark shoe sales. And so I want to show you a bunch of the shoes that I sold and also let you know that I've got a bunch more for sale on my Poshmark closet. So click the link in the description below and you'll be able to check that out. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up like button. But let's get into what my sales are. Okay, so this one is a bundle. You know how I love my bundles. It's a cheaper price for the buyer, and also I make more money as well. So this is a scoop neck high-low tunic, size extra large. This is a Xena Premium Gold Brown scoop neck tunic, and another Xena Premium scoop neck tunic that is navy in color. So all three of those shirts, I've got $1 each invested in those, so $3 totally invested. My earnings were $22.20. So if I take the $3 off, I'm at $19.20 for that particular bundle is what I made. So I'm gonna give you all the profit numbers after I take off what I paid. This is after fees, after shipping is my earnings of $22.20. Minus the $3 I paid, $19.20. So hopefully that's not confusing. We're going to go to the next thing. Like I said, it's going to be the shoe sale video. So $5.25 is what I made on this Cat and Jack Pink Anita Fashion Scrunch Boots. A lot of people say that I, sell things for too little. My earnings were $5.25. These actually sold for $10. Okay, and so $5.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid, so I'm at $3.25, and I want to give you some insights on how exactly I do shoes. I don't do anything crazy fancy. If you look behind me, I just simply have a tablecloth tacked up to make a little L on top of a table, and then I just station my shoes right in front of that. Sometimes I take a picture with the shoes, without the shoes. You can slide a box underneath if you want a couple levels, but real simple to just do pictures just like that right behind me. So hopefully that gives you an idea on how to take better pictures. These are a pair of Nickelodeon Paw Patrol lighted up running shoes, so they light up when they walk. I've got some more of these, I've only got 2 more actually, but these are perfect for starting school. They're a size 8 toddler, and I also have 2 more size 8 toddlers. These I paid $4 for. $12 is what I earned. So $4 minus the $12, I'm at $8 of profit on those Paw Patrol shoes. Any kind of like licensed Nickelodeon or Batman or anything like that usually sell really good, and especially if they're toddler lighted shoes. Those are the one kid shoe that I sell really well. Here's an Exhilaration Heather Gray V-neck tie front top. $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $2.25 are my profits on that. Then I'm going to move on down the line here. I'll tell you why I have this box here in just a minute. This is a everyday racerback bra, Gilligan and O'Malley. $1 is what I paid, $1.25 is what I earned, and so all I've got is 25 cents of profit on that. But I had a lot of those in various different sizes, and I sold some of the other ones for a lot higher price. Then I've got a pair of ladies' black combat boots. They didn't fit in one big bag, so I put them in 2 separate bags to protect them. $7.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for them, so I'm at $5.25 of profit on those. Then, like I said, more shoes. I've got some really cute Cat and Jack size 6 kids booty shoes is what they're called. $6.25. $2 is what I have invested, so $4.25 are my profits there. I love selling shoes. Can you see why? Alrighty, and then I've got a really cute Lislu lightweight dolman sleeve tunic. $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I have invested, so I'm at $3.25 for my profits there. Then we're going to wander on down to this side again. I've got a scoop neck cold shoulder sleeve tee, size extra large. $5.25 is what I earned. $4.25 is my profit because I have $1 invested. So $4.25, $5.25 with that $1 that I paid for it. Then I've got a new without tags Gilligan and O'Malley 36D Racerback Underwire Bra. $2.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.25 of profit for that. Then I've got another pair of shoes. Imagine that. This is actually a pair of shoes I listed Yesterday. Yes, yesterday. So it's, I've got more of these. I ended up with just a few pairs of these. Size 4 Cat and Jack glittery slip-on kind of ballet flats, pink with lots of blue and purple and yellow and green sequins on them. They're really, really cute. So those are size 4 in girl size. So $3.05 is what I earned. About $3 is what I paid. So I'm at basically 5 cents for those. I know that didn't seem like a lot, but those are the least expensive shoes that I got in a huge palette of Via Trading. I've got some other things that are priced much higher, which I'll actually show you in a minute because we sold another one of those things that came off the exact same palette. So I've got a high-rise kick boot crop pant for I earned $16 on. I've got $2 invested, and so I'm at $14 on those. Then I have my awesome, the reason my box is here, this is my awesome bundle. And so I sold 7 items in this bundle. So I've got a pair of PJs that sold for $16, another set of PJs that sold for $8. Then I've got a dress that sold for $5, a bra that sold for $13, a nursing bra. That makes the difference. Nursing bras always sell for more. $15 is what this nursing bra sold for. This shirt sold for $11. So I'm going to put all that back in there. And then also with this bundle was a pair of really cute gray stretch calf riding boots, and I've got some more of these in size 8.5 ladies. I have them listed on my Poshmark store, so check the link in the description below. You'll be able to get to my Poshmark store. If you ever can't find how to get somewhere where I've got stuff for sale, go to hookedonpickin.com. You'll be able to message me and I can shoot you the link directly. And so I've got all of those things, the entire thing. I've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 plus $4 for this, $10 totally invested. $48 is what I earned minus my $10 I paid for everything. So I'm at $38 of profit on that one bundle. So as you can see, these sold for really well. Like I said, $4 is my investment, $30 is what they actually sold for, and then after fees. All right, we're gonna move on to the next set here. We've got a long line lace bralette exhilaration. $6.05 is what I earned on that. $1 is what I paid for it, so $5. 5 cents. This is a really good 2 days of sales on Poshmark. I'm super excited. It's because of all the shoes. I love selling the shoes. This has been on my store forever, so I was really excited to sell it. $8.05 is what I earned on this Maurice's size 2 sleeveless 2-layer dress. And so $8.05 is what I earned. I've got $2 invested, so $6.05 for my profit. And then the very last thing that I've got here, and I've got some more of these for sale, so check these out. $7.05 is what I earned on this patriotic gray curved trucker hat. And so $7.05 is what I earned. $4 is what I paid. So I'm at $3.05. So like I said, sold tons of shoes. I've got a bunch of new shoes in my Poshmark store, so check those out. Lots of kids, about I'd say 40% of them are kids shoes, and then I've got a lot of ladies shoes that I just posted, and I'm getting ready to post some new men's shoes coming from a palette I'm going to unbox in the very near future. So check it out. Even if it's not the day that I put this video out, there might already be some men's shoes on my Poshmark store. So check it out. I'm going to add all this up. Let's see what we made for 2 days of sales on Poshmark. All right, I've got everything added up. $117.40 for 2 days of sales on Poshmark for 16 total orders. The reason why that number is much higher is shoes, shoes, and more shoes, and of course, a couple of bundles. So that always makes the profits go up. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold in August on Poshmark for 2 days of sales. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.